Hey, Michelle. Hey, Paul.
Hey, good morning, Zoomers. How's life?
Living the dream on Zoom. No, seriously though, thank you guys for doing this. This is the way we got to meet right now and talk about walk stuff.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. Oh, how was the hike?
It was great. Beautiful sunny day. We had 3 people that were brand new to NAMI, first time they've learned about what we do, and that's just such a treat for me to introduce them to our community.
No, I appreciate you doing that.
That's cool.
So, still waiting on the moderators then?
I'm here to announce early bird registration for NAMIWALKS Northwest. Gobble, gobble.
Is that turkey again? Is he stalking us?
Is he wearing pants? Oh,
I don't think it matters.
Yeah, you're right, I guess.
All I know is I'm really hungry, and I'm fixing to have a turkey sandwich.
I'm out of here. And we'll be online too, which will be safer for me.